Hi, I'm Abby Chamberlain-Brock, curator at Hollyhock House, and I'm thrilled to share that exactly 100 years after Frank Lloyd Wright completed Residence A, the City of Los Angeles has finished Phase 1 restoration work on this remarkable guest house in Barnsdall Park. It is a major milestone. The restoration will allow us to showcase not only what was built on Olive Hill, but the grand plans Aline Barnsdall and her architect conceived for an arts community here. More so than the main house, this structure has much in common with Wright's many unbuilt site designs. The theater director's house and the terrace houses in particular. Residence A also closely relates to Wright's prairie style just preceding it, and his LA hillside homes to follow, for which Wright may be best known in California. Famed modernist R.M. Schindler first arrived in LA to work on this commission, and his hand is evident here. I can't wait to explore these connections in our site interpretation once Phase 2 is complete and programming can commence.
This is Xiaoling Ting, the project architect for this restoration project on both Residence A and Hollyhock House. And you can see that this project, we have focusing on mostly exterior, restoring all this major architecture feature like the balcony, the bay window, and many of these exterior wonders. For the next phase, we hope to continue the interior restoration work, and which was including finish on the plasters and the ceiling and the flooring. And on top of that, there will be detail work, the woodwork on the window, the molding trim, and especially there will be restorations of the building furniture. And once all these things has completed, you will see the rebuilding of the original Frank Lloyd Wright's Residence A.
Hello, my name is Kevin Jew, and I'm part of the team here. And this is the restoration of the Frank Lloyd Wright designed Residence A in Barnsdall Park. As you can see, we finished pretty much all of the structural work, the mechanical, electrical, plumbing. The rough work is about 90% done. You can see here this retaining wall is about 40% done. And we've already started the exterior stucco. The exterior doors and windows are about 80% finished. Really, they're almost all finished. We just need some staining finish work on them.
On behalf of the entire project team, including Project Restore, the City's Bureau of Engineering, and General Services Construction Forces, we're incredibly grateful to all who have made this project possible, especially Councilmember Mitch O'Farrell and his team. It's a privilege to restore this city-owned landmark so that it can be enjoyed and preserved for generations to come. We look forward to sharing more updates on this project, so stay tuned.